In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass delete profiles on Klaviyo. Before you begin, it is a good idea to take a moment to confirm that you are working with the correct audience list. Deleting profiles is permanent, and choosing the right list helps you avoid removing people you still need for your marketing and reporting. To start, open your Klaviyo account and go to the audience area. From there, look for the section labeled Lists and Segments. This is where your saved lists live, along with the rules and groupings you use to manage who receives your messages. Once you are in Lists and Segments, you should see a panel or list of your different audiences, often including names that describe what each list represents. Next, you will locate the target list that contains the profiles you want to delete. Take your time here and make sure you are selecting the correct one. If you have multiple similar lists, pause and compare the list name to what you intended to clean up. The three dots menu is the control where you can access actions for that specific list, so you want to be sure you are clicking it on the right row. Now, once you have found the correct list, click the three dots next to the target list. This menu typically opens a small set of options related to what you can do with the list. If you do not see the three dots, try hovering carefully over the list entry so the menu controls appear. After the menu opens, you will select the option labeled Delete. This step is important because it signals that you want to remove the list and its associated profiles rather than just editing or updating it. When you choose Delete, Klaviyo usually prepares a confirmation screen, which helps prevent accidental removal. At this point, you should see a confirmation prompt asking you to confirm the action. The instructions require you to type Delete to confirm. Make sure you type the word exactly as requested, using the correct capitalization. This confirmation step is a safeguard, so it is worth being precise here instead of rushing. Once you have typed Delete, review the confirmation message one more time to ensure everything looks correct. Then proceed to finalize the deletion. If Klaviyo asks for an additional confirm action, follow the on-screen prompt carefully, because it may require one last click to complete the process. To complete the confirmation, Klaviyo will delete the specified list and remove the profiles associated with it. Depending on the size of your list, the change may take a moment to fully reflect across your account views. When you return to the Lists area, you should see that the list is no longer present, or it may appear differently based on how Klaviyo updates your interface. That is the full process. Navigate to Audience, open Lists and Segments. Access the three dots menu for your chosen list, select Delete, and type Delete to confirm. That covers everything you need to know.